Okay guys, welcome back to another Gray Outdoors gaming video. Today we are, no. Today we are going to be playing some Farming Simulator. Don't ask what happened. Although I made a few changes on the farm. I got a few new pieces of equipment and stuff. I got this 4320 with fertilizer tanks. Then the Welker Farms Big Bud in the Welker Farms shed. And then I have another Massa Ferguson 240. And then I have my semi. Although if my voice sounds funny, that's because my voice has been hurting for the past few days. Although right here we have my bale storage. Then right here we shall have my manure pit. And one of my trucks, my cow barn. I'm thinking of actually getting a new cow barn. And then I have my feed mixer. Nothing in it. Although yeah. Wait, what was this? Okay, I guess I bought a 4440 recently. Although, this tractor, it just spawned at this dealership and not the one that, well, I made a dealership on the map. So instead of always just going to there, I will make it a bit more realistic. And my dealership doesn't look the best, but it's still pretty decent. I now have this nice little 4440. Oh yes, and we bought the, I don't know, although I did finish planning already. I know, I was meant to be filming it. But we have this new shed. Yeah. Oh gosh. Yeah, I need to do that. Well, the soybeans are not ready to harvest yet. So, yeah. And then I'll be making straw bales out of what the soybeans get. If you can even produce, although I'm only getting bales out of those two fields. So, yeah. There, I might just be like, see if this, oh, yeah, boom. Yay. Okay. Here, hold on. Flip this. Oh, no. Okay. Also, yeah, we had a little something happen on this map. So our power went out while I was playing. So I'm not where I was the last time that I played Farming Simulator. And it's been forever. And I have played since I filmed. I've never noticed that. So then right here we have this. Although, here, I'm gonna take, oh yeah, and then we bought this nice little International. And we have another Big Bud in there. We have quite a bit of Big Buds. Although we're gonna go check out the dealership. Because apparently there's a new flatbed there. Oh, hold on. I didn't take this one to my dealership that I made, but I'll buy this nice little case. Okay. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna come in here. And I got a new, I don't know that tractor's name, but I did get a manure spreader. Well, we have our cattle truck pulling on in. Oh, that's the pallet fork. Oh no. Although they have a flatbed out here for sale. And I had to do my way of getting there. It's just quicker to go that way. Oh, now that I look at this looks very messy. Although, I didn't really do much work to it because, you know, I didn't really want to. But if we come in here, we have the John Deere's. There's some more stuff in there. Although, there's the big buds. Let's go see what they... Dad, hold on. Dad. I'm filming. No.
Coach Frank wants to know if you want to be goalie at some games tomorrow, some tournament games.
Oh, for West?
I don't know if it's for West. You want to play some games tomorrow? Oh, goalie's so much fun. I hate dancing in goal. That's why he asked you, because you're really good in goal. They start at 8:30 in the morning. You have nothing else to do.
Yeah, sure.
You want to do it?
Yeah.
So I'm going to tell Daddy, tell Coach Frank you can do it.
Well, can I also do it better non-goalie?
I don't know, probably.
Okay.
I don't know that.
Okay.
Finish this up and come upstairs. I'm gonna tell Coach Frank, yeah, you can do that.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Sorry, my mom, she was asking me something about if I wanted to be goalie for one of my old coaches' tournament teams thing. Although, what is this? What is this thing on my jacket? Although, ooh, here, this is what I'm looking for. It's a Kloss Lexion 780. Okay. Sorry. Okay, we're good. Here. Also, I'm not gonna buy that until soybean season comes. Then I probably should buy this. But, ooh, Model A. Ooh. Yeah, this one's definitely just like a tractor that they're selling that you have to repair. Although the A, or the B technically, is fine. Then we have some cases, the header to the claws. We have two big buds. I have this Kubota, I'm not too interested in. Then we have this. It looks to be a, it's in the game, they can't use the Kenworth brand, although I'm pretty sure it's a Kenworth. Either that or a Peterbilt. And I'm gonna go ahead, turn this off. Oh, okay. Fire this up and use it for my honey business. Okay. Where is the purchase area? Okay, I think this is where you go. Oh gosh. Okay, thank you. Let me just pay. Hold on. So yeah. And he was selling that truck for $35,000. Hold up. Wait a minute. Okay, I have like no money right now. So, yeah, we're gonna have to get to that soybean harvest. Also, all these honey pounds, they're gonna be worth a ton of money. I might just load up the case skid steer onto here. Yeah, because I have that forklift. First time using it. I'm so glad that they finally added case skid steers. Because I've been wanting one for a while in the game. And I play on a PS5 and not a PC. So I don't get all the cool mods and stuff. Because PC players, I don't know, it's because their PCs are able to handle more. Nope, I can't get on that way. And y'all, this is the exact reason why I'm not taking this forklift back to my farm. Oh no. Oh gosh. Oh gosh, okay. This is not gonna. Y'all, I know this isn't very realistic. It's just the only way that I could get it on. Okay, no one saw that. I wish that the stuff in the game were to actually like break if you were to hit it. Like say I were to run into that grain cart, it would put a dent in it. Blip. Oh gosh. I might have just gotten myself into something bad with this skid steer. No. Oh my gosh. Where's that forklift? There it is. Well, then we have our Lambo VT, our John Deere high-speed disc, and our big John Deere disc, and then our small planer. And we, of course, have the massive planer out there. Although I don't really use that one on those fields. Here, after I get done filming, I'll go and fix this. I mean, I already have the John Deere skid steer. It's just, I think that this might work a tad bit better. Although, I did mow right here, although it's kind of been quite a while since I moved, so. You know what, that's what I'm gonna do for the rest of the video, since that's gonna take a bit long. I'm gonna go ahead and shut this off. Hop in. Where's my thing with it? I know that I have a mower. I have a bush hog actually. Oh wait, no, where's the I guess I'm gonna use the 4320. I think I know where I put it. It's not in the farm. Although by next video, which will probably be in a while, I don't know, it's because I've been having like schoolwork and stuff. Oh, I didn't know that that thing did that to that hill. Okay, although, yeah, as you can tell, it's pretty used. And we just gotta, our hydraulics work. Okay, yeah, it moves. Although I might go buy that mower from the whatchamacallit, the dealership. I'm just gonna mow in that area. It's kind of odd that I'm going backwards. Totally finished mowing. I only like mowing the outlines of my stuff. Yeah, I'm at 20 minutes. I'll give it until about 25 minutes. Because I do have to go up. Because I have to tell my mom if I'm going to do the lacrosse thing tomorrow. this one isn't gonna be as good. Oh no 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 no. Oh no 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 no. Not the honey pellets. I can't just pick these up, can I? If y'all are liking the series so far, hit that like button. Bum, 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 bum. If I sound funny, it's because my voice hurts a bit. It's kind of gotten a bit better, but like that's the reason why I haven't been able to make videos. Because my friend Kip, who commented on my last video actually, he's been on my outdoor channel a lot. Although, yeah, he's been wanting me to make videos and stuff, and like I just like can't. So. Oh my gosh. Bro, I'm gonna freaking rage quit, bro. Excuse me. Okay, I think that this way is better anyways, because it's better. I'm probably gonna get about like 20,000 vanity dues off this. I like how honey pellets, they just keep stacking, so like the whole thing actually becomes full, unlike egg pellets. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video right here. Hope y'all enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Bye.